We're receiving a transmission on priority channel 3.
Watch out! It's not well a girl again. A universal girl I cry for General Levy this year because we're gone to the galaxy, man. I get wicked in the night this year, man. All girl picking it broke wine. Yeah, me. Watch the glide. So what General is that General? Whoever he may be. But there's only one General Levy in the galaxy. To make them the world a girl, a follow me. Well, you come to the Levy with the new style. Universe, a girl I cry for Levy. Universe, a girl want peace of me. Universe, a girl a tantalize me. Universe, a girl a hypnotize me. And the girl from Mars, now stop cry for me. Them say they want a copy of my new LP. Get a letter from a big body girl from Saturn. I tell me say she hear me on a live album. Me no rap night a bluff. This year me get a rough. Have a big stage show up a uranium. What I know? Jupiter girl say them have the winery. Yeah, them have the winery, but them nah no titty. But Pluto girl no rap neither girl. Them girl they titty big like fi right mango. How when them a wine, say them no wine slow. Them have a liquor when they call it El Toro. Universe, a girl a cry for me. Universe, a girl a hypnotize me. Universe, a girl want peace of me. Universe, a girl a tantalize me. So take a little trip in the Milky Way. Me never get this up on a British Airway. Was a 3-month tour, but a 6 months mistake. To the people them they love me, them no want me go away. So me take a little trip in the next galaxy. Me book Captain Kirk and the Star Trek Passy. You should have seen Lieutenant a solo. I do the winery. Down with the man, cause the Mr. Spock, I do the Della style. Universe, a girl want peace of me. Universe, a girl a cry for Levy. Universe, a girl gonna stop back me. Universe, a girl know me have the melody. What? People little dance, they pan Krypton. Superwoman did that one like she don't want no man. But from she hear me chat, she changed the shape like cause I'm a 100 superheroes roll into one universe. A girl want peace of me. Universe, a girl a cry for Levy. Universe, a girl know me have the recipe. Universe, a girl they no stop back me. Cause a general is a general, whoever he may be. But there's only one general Levy in the galaxy. To make them the world a girl a follow me. Here come to the Levy with the new style. Come to the bus 6 tongue with the galaxy. Talk it. How when they talk you know it. That's a fake cock it. This is no science. Hope you me now work it. But this is style comfy. Control the world it. All of the white it. All of the black it. All of the slim it. All of the fat it. General come again it. We come again it. New style me bring it. New style me bring. Universe, a girl a cry for me. Universe, a girl want peace of me. Universe, a girl them no stop cry for me. Universe, a girl them no stop back me. Cause the girl from Mars no stop cry for me. Them say they want a copy of my new LP. Get a letter from a big body girl from Saturn. I tell me say she hear me on a live album. Me no rap neither bluff. This year me get rough. Get a big stage show up a uranium. Watch out! Jupiter girl say them have the winery. Yeah, them have the winery, but them nah no titty. But Pluto girl no rap neither girl. Them girl the titty big like fi ripe mango. How when them a wine, say them no wine slow. Them have a liquor when they call the El Toro. Universe, a girl a cry for me. Universe, a girl they no stop back me. Universe, a girl know me have the recipe. Universe, a girl no stop hypnotize me. So what? Take a little trip in the Milky Way. Me never get this up on a British Airway. Was a 3-month tour, but a 6 months mistake. With the people them they love me, them no want me go away. So what?
Wait a minute.
Now you're going to cool it.
Original Demolition Squad, cause like we them the bad. Nothing to get serious about, we just come for run the road 48-4, come for second half score. General leave it on them case again, man, excess amount of talk. Wanna tell them road boy, excess amount, watch out. Come from me 2 ears, a ear, and me 2 eyes, I see. Me no see nothing, we can stop the victory. Come from me 2 eyes, I see, and me 2 ears, a ear. Me no hear nothing, we can stop me this year. So what? Just give me my rag and let me blow me nose, pan them, can none of them, nah, no problem. Come again. Just give me my rag and let me blow me nose, pan them, can none of them, nah, no problem. Come again. Me have to sneeze, pan of them, and then me me the comfy pet powder them, got all the best style I want me bring. DJ step aside the boomer youth a touchdown. The roughest little youth up in the country and the town. If a DJ want to test me, have to defend me crown. Cause use me in a this, me a not just come around. Ruben and the Riddler them a go wrong. But when they just come, them have to sit down. Me just turn on the heat and then me see me the place down. I saw them get fed, no I am the wickedest thing wrong. They want crucial rap, they say to me, proud to be blacker. But when me check it out, they brother proud to be fat. Tip of area tell the girl say, give me the sugar dandy. But then the little thing belonging at the ear. Take off from me 2 ears a ear, and me 2 eyes a see. Me no see nothing we can stop the beat. Take off from me 2 eyes a see, and me 2 ears a ear. Me no hear nothing we can stop me this year. So what? Just give me rag and let me blow me nose. Pan them can none of them now, no problem. Come again, come again, come again, come again. Just give me rag and let me blow me nose. Pan them can none of them now, no problem. Come again, come again. And the one sweetie, I read DJ for the future. Him have to step aside now, me take over. Cause that's what me want, so me look for top cat. But when me find in the bread I run out of stock. 10 a fly and the Rios a talk, but I feed them gal. But where I go, she love Levy, General Sergeant. The one to get the ways and character. When them get her in the bed, the gal, nah, no glamour, you lovely. Was done by him brother DC, him happy. Take back the talk when the gal done the money, the Dan Roger. And me big up, and I go like clear up. Anyway, me not go call him name because it's not big enough. From me 2 ears a ear, and me 2 eyes I see. Me no see nothing we can stop the beat. From me 2 eyes I see, and me 2 ears a ear. Me no hear nothing we can stop me this year. So what? Just give me rag and let me blow me nose. Pan them can none of them nah, no problem. Come again, come again, come again, come again. Just give me rag and let me blow me nose. Pan them can none of them nah, no problem. Come again, come again. Achoo, me have to sneeze pan of them. Achoo, and then me achoo. Me the come for pet powder them. Achoo, can none of them no problem. I am the general, me the marshal, me the rampant, me the partial. If a DJ test me fit, them get a memorial and intellectual. Me the simple, me mix but me the mingle, me the chemical. I'm normal and unbeatable. Excuse me, the general's coming for the victory. Excuse me, when me I collect the trophy. Excuse me, can none of them no wicked like me. Excuse me, I general come for run the country. Me ball, just give me rag and let me blow me nose. Man, them can none of them nah, no problem. Come again, come again, come again, come again. Just give me rag and let me blow me nose. Man, them can none of them nah, no problem. Come again, come again. Achoo, me have to sneeze pan of them. Achoo, and then me achoo. Me the come for pet powder them. Achoo, got all the style I want me bring. I gave them paro and don't get and digi hiccup along with favorite dopey. Well, a girl I cry for Levy. I wash it. Wow, original length and strength. Get in the right thing. Me give it the good loving and then the weak. The latest style where I lick me get in the heat. For the girls are sweet and unique and then they breeze. For the girls are full of prestige. That's why. Just give me rag and let me blow me nose. Pan them can none of them nah, no problem. Come again, come again, come again, come again. Just give me rag, let me blow me nose. Pan them can none of them nah, no problem. Come again, come again. Excuse me, can none of them no wicked like me.
We're gonna do a song,
And we aim to entertain you.
Well, them talking about this, them talking about that. Go to them say General Levy come for control this spot because we control this man and them can't get me out. You understand? We control the road. Hear this, Rudy. Watch it. So what? Booyaka, booyaka. When the general a pass, booyaka, booyaka. Cause we run the park. Come and dance on me, hold me the mic, blah blah. To the pinnacle, the DJ try to test it. I go fatal, come and get it. Critical, cause I'm the incredible general. So that's the sensation when it come in. Incredible general, booyaka. So that's the sensation, incredible, unstoppable, unbeatable, invisible, made beneficial, respected by man.
We lead double lives. We deal in sex and beautiful women.
Well, all of the girls with the original tight like a vice panani. And you make a man feel like in their paradise, man. Broke quiet, man. General, leave it back on them case again. Should we get in the length question? Watch the part 2 now. Watch the glide. Watch my glide. The article tight like a vice. Watch the glide. Skin up and put on it all night. Watch the glide. The article tight like a vice. Watch my glide. Skin up and put on it all tight like a vice. So when me put it in, it's like me day a paradise. Every man wants a girl with a banana with the vibe. So him send for the girl with the tight like a vice. Fi wine. Cry, hold me hold tight on me baseball cap back and tell me girl watch the right. Got the tight like a vice, I want me dog top. The article tight like a vice, watch my glide. Skin up and put on it all night, watch the glide. The article tight like a vice, watch the glide. Skin up and put on it all. Go to the machine, she have the vice side pony. Go to the machine, tighten up pony. Go to the machine, she have the vice side pony. Go to the machine, tighten up pony. Make it to the white. Me the one no swim me poop on honey. But the bang 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 feet come and drown me. Red boat, that can't hold me. They tight like a vice, and the rest a peppy. The article tight like a vice, watch my glide. Skin up and put on it all night, watch the glide. The article tight like a vice, watch the glide. Skin up and put on it all. But if you have it, just whine it and make me never see it. Cause all of the girls with the tight like a vice, right now them a run it. Some of them have it and them mouse it, but still me have to find it. Through me have the infrared anyway it them me have to get it. Watch out. The article tight like a vice, watch my glide. Skin up and put on it all night, watch the glide. The article tight like a vice, watch my glide. Skin up and put on it all. Some gal them pretty and them crisp, but them banana they got no grip. When they come to banana grip, the London gal them run it. But we tell them clean it, cleanse it, don't abuse it, and don't distress it. And make me rap them, jiggy them, jack up in a. Watch my glide. The article tight like a vice, watch the glide. Skin up and put on it all night, watch my glide. The article tight like a vice, watch my glide. Skin up and put on it all night. Because it tight like a vice that make them and them rejoice. In what? Banana contest, you have win the first prize. Girl, one up your butt because I hit off the vice. And feel your banana man, no stop cry, watch the ride. The article tight like a vice, watch my glide. Skin up and put on it all night, watch my glide. The article tight like a vice, watch the ride. Skin up and put on it all tight like a vice. So when me put it in, it's like me day a paradise. Every man want a girl with a banana with the vibe. So him send for the girl with the tight like a vice. Fi wine, cry, hold me hold tight on me baseball cap back and tell me girl watch the ride. Got the tight like a vice, I want me dog top. The article tight like a vice, watch my glide. Skin up and put on it all night, watch my glide. The article tight like a vice, watch my glide. Skin up and put on it all. Some girl them pretty and them crisp, but them banana they got no grip. When they come to banana grip, the London girl them run it. But we tell them clean it, cleanse it, don't abuse it, and don't distress it. And make me rap them, jiggy them, jack up in a. Watch my glide. The article tight like a vice, watch my glide. Skin up and put on it all night, watch my glide. The article tight like a vice, watch my glide. Skin up and put on it all. Go to the machine, she have the vice tight pony. Go to the machine, tighten up pony. Go to the machine, she have the vice tight pony. Go to the machine, tighten up pony. Make it to the white. Me no want no swim me poop on honey. But the bang 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 feet come and drown me. Red boat, that can't hold me. The tight like a vice and the rest a peppy. The article tight like a vice, watch my glide. Skin up and put on it all night, watch my glide. The article excitement. Well, all original, nice and decent girl picking it. Who request the good loving right round the clock. General, leave it back on them case again. Because when me come out to the righteous loving me have to bring. Watch the ride again, girls, because we know you want to know. Then what? Well, this one happened to be the original length and strength. For all of the girls, them know them can't take the excitement. Because this one coming like nutriment can keep the girls them content. You here? Come! Original length and strength, how what she want. Original length and strength, how what she want. Original length and strength, how what she want. Original length and strength. Be all of the gal and with the goblet present. Every gal want a man we full of excitement. She want a man to make she feel content. So she send for the man who full of length and strength. The wheel turn, dally round the bend. And when me dally round the bend, me come a back round again. And when me come again, more agony me bring her. At that time she find out who really wrong. Original length and strength, how what she want. Original length and strength, how what she want. Original length and strength, how what she want. Original length and strength, go to the mommy. Me say me length in a me, go to the mommy. Long in a body, go to the mommy. Me say me length in a me, go to the mommy. hard and stiff. It not scar no gold, you see the Chira killer. It not scar no gold, you see the Rama, what? Not scar no gold, guess what? A javelin, pull a scar, gold, what she wa. Original length and strength, 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 go to the mommy. Me say me length in a me, go to the mommy. Long in a body, go to the mommy. Me say me length in a me, go to the mommy. Long in a body, follow me no. Junior dancer, him the girl's toy boy. Under the sweet, they say him the sweet boy. Under the rude, they say him the rude boy. But you never leave it, the girls love her boy. What she wa? Original length and strength, what she wa? Original length and strength, what she wa? Original length and strength, what she wa? Original, that's why me got the hammer. For all of the girl, them must say them are the glamour. If a girl want challenge, I will deal with the matter. Me ram it and me jam it like a blasted bulldozer. But me the bump and petrol, me rump and glamour power. A girl nah no glamour, then she nah get me hammer. To me no one no girl who face favor old tire. Me nah use me mouth figure bout to na. Me prefer use me hammer cause me know that's proper. Original length and strength, what she wa. Original length and strength, what she wa. Original length and strength, what she wa. Original length and strength, go to the mommy. Me say me length and me go to the mommy. Me say me length and me go to the mommy. Now when me day a New York, me take a stop at Brooklyn. Down a Church Avenue, me sight a nice sexy thing. So me approach the girl, for give it a damn reasoning. I make her know, say me a no fool offering. She take me into the yard, fi start the romancing. She want a tall javelin, fi some tall carousing. She no want no short man, cause them shot her everything. She want a 6 tongue, get never leave it. Tell me stabbing, when me catch it pon the left, the girl a ball, fishing bada. Me catch it pon the right, the girl a ball, fishing bada. Me catch it in the center, she a ball, fishing bada. And so she know, say the tall man a danger, what she wa. Original length and strength, 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 girl picking it. Jump around, you love the man with length, man. Patch your length because your length full of strength. Why? Because you know the only need nourishment and the length and strength coming like nutriment. What she wa. Original length and strength, what she wa. Original length and strength, what she wa. Original length and strength, what she wa. Original length and strength. Be all of the gal with the God bless present. Every gal wants a man with full life. Many are called but chosen are few. Your heart have to pure before you can pass through. A guidance where the youths them need. From loving in your heart you must get received. A true like a fake up for them get deceived. But we know in that cause in a God we believe. Say we no rude boy and youth. Watch the right, you are. Guidance what the youths them need. From loving in your heart me say you must get received. A true like a fake up for them get deceived. But me no in that cause in a God me believe. That's why me look and say put your faith in the God that he will always guide you. If you keep your faith in the God so me know you have to get that you. Put it on shit, put your faith in the God that he will always guide you. You keep your faith in the God so me know you have to get you. But him guide you, the wicked can't stop for you. But him guide you, that mean him watch you over you. But him guide you, that mean you have to get you. But him guide you, a heavenly rendezvous many a call, but chosen half you. Your heart have to pure before you can pass through. So when God come back by where you going do, if you live dirty life with you gotta screw. Out of the iniquity workers, I'm talking to you. Out of the son of an hypocrite and out of the hope you workers too. You can't go a heaven if you're devil in a you. Your heart have to pure before God receive you. That's why me look and say guidance for the youths them need. From loving in your heart me say you must get received. A true like a fear enough for them get deceived. Me no in a that cause in a God me believe. If you put your faith in the money, that mean you get deceived. Come material things is not what we really need. Come money buy house and not big Mercedes, but they can't buy the love of the Almighty. I believe you put on the lust and put on the vanity. Stop carry bad mind for your friend and enemy. Them show a good life when you're living daily. I saw you enrich yourself spiritually. From the spirit enrich you coming like sanctuary. The enemy have to protect your enemy, them a worry. Them can't knock your mind, soul, and your body. Cause them a protect you till eternity, till the because you put your faith in the God and he will always guide you. If you keep your faith in the God, so we know you have to get that you. Put it on shit, put your faith in the God, he'll always guide you. You keep your faith in the God, so we know you have to get that you. Come on him guide you, that mean him watch you over you. For him a guide you, the wicked can't stop for you. For him guide you, you have to get what is you. For him guide you, a heavenly rendezvous. Put it on shit, me not gonna let the devil corrupt me mind. God ban me mind, man, tell no 365. Me have to think positive, I'm 9 in this your time. I've got to make a AP, I'm 9 plus on that. Come tell them, put on the fight everlasting honor. Stop the crime, cause you can't go as Zion if you have a bad mind. Every day me live this like me get a new sign. It's like say revelation, this is a real part. Because guidance for the youth them need. From loving on your heart, me say you must get received. I true like a beard, enough of them get deceived. But me no in that cause in a God me believe. From Genesis down to Revelation, that's when you get the knowledge and the wisdom. Read about Adam and Eve up in the holy garden. And Moses, Matthew, Mark, Matthew, and Luke and John. If you extend, you read down to Armageddon. That's when you learn about the revelation. In the year 2000, when them see a God come, that's when the wicked have the answer for the evil they have done. So guidance for the youth them need. From loving on your heart, we say you must get received. I true like a beard, enough of them get deceived. But me no in that cause in a God me believe. That's why me look and say, put your faith in the God and He will always guide you. If you keep your faith in the God, so me know you have to get it. Put your faith in the God, He'll always guide you. You keep your faith in the God, so me know you have to get it. Too many you call, but chosen half you. Your heart have to pure before you can pass through. So when God come back by where you're going to, if you live dirty life with you gotta school. I know the iniquity workers, I'm talking to you. I know the sad about hypocrites and I know the hope your workers too. You can't go to heaven if the devil in you. Your heart have to pure before God receives you. That's why they look and say, put your faith in the God and He will always guide you. If you keep your faith in the God, so me know you have to get into. Put your faith in the God